Now, is it optional anymore to grow your brand on LinkedIn as an agency owner? To me, the answer to this question was always simple. Yes, it is optional. It's a good addition to my marketing and sales efforts. It's good to have a polished brand on LinkedIn. It looks good. It gives you some sort of an authority and trust, and why not? But in 2024, to me, this is no longer optional. No longer optional. Why? Because 2/3 of business interactions worldwide happen or start from LinkedIn. Meaning, even if the DMs themselves or the messages or the emails or the end mails in LinkedIn were not going through LinkedIn, the prospect was found on LinkedIn. And so learning LinkedIn and growing your brand on LinkedIn is no longer optional. Why do you want to build your personal brand on LinkedIn? 3 reasons. 1, you establish brand authority. You're someone that shows expertise, right? So we could listen to you, we could hear you, and we could ask you questions, and we could reach out to you. LinkedIn is the #1 business and social media platform. It's not only just a social media platform like Snapchat or Instagram or Facebook. It is initially it was just for business, by the way. So when LinkedIn started, it was just a place for people to find jobs and for employers to find employees. And then they kept improving the platform and changing and twisting and updating the platform until it reached a point where you have now millions of posts being posted every day. From professionals, from business owners, from founders, from employees, from C-level people. And so, where else would you be able to show your expertise without being cringe? I cannot imagine myself going to my Instagram story and talking daily about my work and my company and my agency and what we do. It just doesn't sound good, right? Versus on LinkedIn, it sounds good because LinkedIn was made for this. Brand authority, that's 1. 2, brand credibility. Now, how do you show brand credibility on LinkedIn? You need to post premium content, and you need to have testimonials, and you need to have links, and you need to have everything so perfectly optimized. Let's compare 2 founders. Founder 1 has a LinkedIn account, but his LinkedIn account or their LinkedIn account is not properly optimized. You land on their account and you see a profile picture that is outdated in a swimming pool. And then the banner itself looks cheap and it looks like a template. And then the about section is not properly articulated. Versus a founder who has a very well optimized LinkedIn profile that has a professional profile picture that shows that this founder is approachable, and a professional banner that is well designed and well crafted, and a very well articulated about section. Just think of the first impression. Will you think that founder 1 is credible and is someone you want to work with? If the first impression was no, in sales it's well known that first impressions matter a lot. You may be losing just because of a bad first impression that you gave them. So, credibility. You want to show credibility through good content, optimized profile, and some testimonials that you're sharing on your personal account or the corporate page. And to grow a corporate page, this is a different topic for a different video. Subscribe to this channel if you're interested in learning more about how to grow your corporate brand as well, not only your personal brand. So that's the reason 2. So first, brand authority. 2nd, brand credibility. 3rd, for selling purposes. So for your account to be able to sell services or products. And this is achievable by treating your personal LinkedIn profile as a landing page rather than a library or a gallery of what you do, your skills, your services. Treat it as a landing page, right? How does landing pages work? When you land on a landing page, there's a psychological process that the visitor of the landing page goes through. What they see first and then what they see second, and then is the second thing that they're seeing worthy of them scrolling to learn more, to the 3rd section, which is about section, and then to the 4th section, which is the featured section on LinkedIn, and then to the 5th section, which is your posts. And so if you treat your profile LinkedIn as a landing page, then it's helping you with selling, and this is a core reason why LinkedIn is no longer optional in 2024. So think of this: brand authority, brand credibility, and sellability, right? The ability to sell. So this is a short video just to give you a quick intro on why LinkedIn is no longer optional for founders in 2024. Stay tuned on future videos about LinkedIn, about sales, and about AI and how you can utilize AI for your LinkedIn and sales. And see you.